What is good, everybody? It's your boy coming to y'all on this good Sunday with a quick exclusive drop. And this is one I almost missed. I actually got hit up by one of my subscribers, and he was asking me. At first, I was kind of confused because if you don't know, I picked up, which is actually coincidentally still right here in the box. I did a pre-order, pretty sure like most people did, for the World Series pink bottom exclusive no-hole HatClub release. That's still right there in that box. Haven't even put it with the rest of the hats yet. But I had a subscriber hit me up and ask me, hey, are you going to be getting the maroon pink bottoms? And I'm like, I had no idea what he was talking about. I'm going to be honest with you. And the crazy part is I'm on social media just like everybody else, but I'm not really at a constant check-in. And it just so happens just before these release, which are the Valentine's Day pink bottom release, which was done in a maroon with a pink bottom. I literally found out about them like the day before they released. And well, when I say the day before they released, because come to find out, they released online on Saturday, but they already started hitting in store at HatClub stores on, I want to say as early as Thursday, I believe. Now, as everybody knows, lately it's been crazy online trying to grab hats. A lot of the new releases. People are even going as far as to say there's bots now, like in the kicks game, which I never thought I'd live to see the day where, you have to worry about bots and hats. But I guess it's coming to that because hats are becoming synonymous with your kicks. You know what I mean? So, it was only bound to happen if that is the case. I'm not ready to go there yet. But again, with that being said, come Saturday when it happened, pink bottoms were gone. When I was clicking on certain hats to see if they had certain ones, because there are certain ones that I wanted. There were two in particular that I wanted. There were only like, out of all the ones they released, there were two that literally only had size 8s left. Now, from what I'm getting on their Twitter account, they're saying they have a lot more in stores. So to give them a call at the 800 number. So if you didn't hit on them, you're watching this video, it's Sunday right now. Definitely give them a call on Monday. They said there should be a lot more in stores if you're trying to grab sizes. Definitely do that. Me, I jumped ahead. Like I said, I am lucky enough to have two, like I said, now hat stores that's close to me. I called the one that I frequent the most. And one size 8 left, man. One size 8 left. And they kind of know who I am now from always coming in there and then, chopping up with Luis and the whole nine. And the way they looked at me on other stuff. So he had one size 8 left. He held on to it for me. Shout out to them over there at that HatClub. They know who they are. They do watch. But he definitely looked out for me. I picked this up on Saturday. Like I said, it's Sunday right now. So I'm just jump right into it without even all the, the crazy edits, because I know everybody wants to see the hat. Got your receipt. And this thing is dope, man. There you go. And of course, like I said, me being in Cali, you had to figure they were going to have a lot more of these. Is it the particular style that I wanted? No. So I can let y'all see which one I actually got. I was actually looking for, I wanted to get the Atlanta Braves and the Diamondbacks. I don't know why, but it seemed to have more of a two-tone, almost pink to it. I really wanted that. I'm still going to try to see if I can grab that one. But yeah, this maroon thing, I'm glad my subscriber told me about it, man. Shout out to YouTube. Shout out to that subscriber. Because if it wasn't for him, I would have did my due diligence and did the background on this to grab this. And like I said, I am an LA cat, so it's definitely worth the grab. You got your exclusive pin right there. And what everybody's going crazy for, that pink underbottom, man. And I think, to me, it's dope because if you look at the LA is kind of like a, I want to say, like a light tan khaki, but it kind of meshes with the pink. All the colors, they actually go together. And you do have your World Series patch on the side. This is from the 1988 World Series. Then there's no MLB on the back, though. No MLB on the back. And then you have the New Era flag with kind of it's done in maroon, but it's almost like the New Era flag is in a darker maroon to make it stand out, but it still blends into the hat. But like I said, man, they're three non-distinct colors, but they just all go, you know what I mean? Because you got, like I said, it's kind of a light tan, I want to say kind of khaki, but then it goes with the maroon, and then with the pink underbottom, it kind of sets it off. So in my opinion, it's dope to me. And the way they mixed it in, you see they put the pink inside of the World Series patch and everything. I think I mean, they did their thing on this. I mean, me personally, like I said, I'm still gonna try to look for the Diamondbacks one too. But this is one of those. I mean, you know, you get your different undercolor bills all the time. You know, you get your green, your blacks, your reds, depending on that. But you don't come across a lot of pink. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna tell you honestly, I'm not a big guy that wears a lot of pink. You know what I mean? But there's a lot of kicks that are starting to come out now lately that are starting to have that hint of pink in there. I don't know if it's a summer thing or fall, winter, etc., or whatever. But I mean, you put this with the right fit, like I guess, which is really an East Coast thing. You know, you got your whole Dipset, Cameron, Jim Jones thing. They really made the whole rockin' pink hot over there on the East Coast. So I mean, if you do it right, man, you can really set it up and set these up right. Now, as you know, like I said, I got the Chicago pink bottom. And then with this one here, I mean, it does give you the whole Valentine's Day sense to it, like with the maroon, with the pink, you know, because you think about it with the rose flower color and then with the pink for the hearts and everything. So I get it. To me, it was a dope concept, dope way to drop it. And like I said, I'm not the only one thinking that way because these pretty much sold out like that. So I just wanted to share that with y'all in hand. If you were able to cop, let me know, because on Twitter, I was seeing a lot. Like I said, man, do your due diligence, man. Hit up Luis and them on Monday, because they said they have a lot of stock sitting in stores. So if you don't get it online, you may stay. And I'm pretty sure some people already called. I mean, people know how to do when it comes to HatClub if you buy a lot from HatClub. So trust and believe me, if you weren't able to get in touch with them on Saturday early, definitely get at them on Monday, man. You might be able to cop. Don't give up, because I'm definitely going to put in a call and see if I can get that Diamondbacks, man. So, like I said, we only got one hat. You know, usually I do 2 hats for the review. But being that this one just dropped, I just wanted to get it out to you guys, let you know how it's coming in hand. Valentine's Day drink pink. That's one, Valentine's Day drink. That'll be later on. Valentine's Day pink bottom drop, man. You know what? And it basically asked the question, why didn't drop them on Valentine's Day? But, you know, whatever. Glad I got mine. Glad I was able to get one. Like I said, let me know down below if you was able to cop one. Let me know which team you was able to cop. And if you didn't cop, hey, man, let me know or hit me up, man. Let me know if I can help y'all get something or do something, man. But that's it, man. 1988 Dodgers World Series side patch pink bottom. I'm going to go ahead and hop up out of there, man. Y'all enjoy y'all Sunday. I'm going to holler at y'all on the next one. It's your boy, man. I'm gone.